Hello and welcome. My name is Adam, and I'm here to be your friend, your guide, and your teacher on this journey to speaking English with confidence, joy, and ease. In this channel, we don't just study English. We live it, we breathe it, and we practice it together, step by step, day by day. My goal is simple. I want to help you speak more naturally. I want you to feel comfortable using English. And most importantly, I want you to enjoy the process. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can follow me easily. And whenever I ask you to repeat, I really want you to use your voice. This is not just about listening. It's about practicing, training, and growing. So get ready, because today's episode is very special. Today, we're going to talk about something simple, but very powerful. How to practice English every single day, no matter how busy you are. Many people think they need to live in London, New York, or Sydney to speak English well. Some believe they need a native English teacher every single day. Others think they must study grammar for hours at night with a big textbook. But the truth is this: none of these things are necessary. You don't need to move to another country. You don't need a British or American friend sitting next to you all the time. And you don't need to study 3 hours every night after work. What you really need are small, smart, daily actions. Simple steps that fit into your life. Steps you can repeat every day until they become habits. And habits, my friend, are what build fluency. So let's begin together. And let me start with one important question. What is shadowing? Maybe you've heard this word before. Maybe you haven't. Shadowing is one of the most powerful techniques to improve your English, speaking and listening at the same time. It's simple, but very effective. Here's how it works. You listen to someone speaking English, like me right now, and you repeat exactly what they say. You don't stop. You don't translate. You don't open a dictionary. You just copy the sounds. Like an echo, you try to match the speed, the tone, and the rhythm of the speaker. That's shadowing. Let's try it together. I'll say a sentence, and you repeat after me. Ready? I want to speak English fluently. I listen to English every day. Shadowing helps me speak better. Excellent. That's it. You've already done shadowing. At first, it may feel strange, maybe even uncomfortable. You might not understand every word, and that's okay. Shadowing is not about full understanding. It's about training your mouth and your brain to work together. It's about getting used to how English sounds, how it moves, and how it feels inside your mouth. If you do this for just 5 minutes a day, your fluency will grow. You'll speak faster, clearer, and more naturally. Remember this: small daily habits create big results. Now, let's answer the big question. How can you practice English every day? Many students tell me, Adam, I want to practice, but I don't have time. I'm too busy. I feel shy when I speak. I don't know how to begin. And my answer is always the same. You don't need hours of study, and you don't need the perfect moment. You just need to start today, right now. So let me give you 5 powerful ways to practice English every single day, wherever you are. Tip number 1, listen to English every day. Listening is the foundation. If you want to speak well, you must first listen well. Listening is not something you do once a week in class. It must be a daily habit. Listening helps you learn new words. It helps you hear the rhythm of English, and it helps you understand faster. How can you do this? You can listen to podcasts like this one. You can listen to English music. You can watch YouTube videos, or listen to short stories and simple news. The key is daily listening. Even if you understand only 30% or 50%, it's okay. Don't wait for perfect understanding. Just let English sounds enter your ears. Listen while you cook, while you clean, while you exercise, or while you rest. 10 to 15 minutes a day is enough. Think of English as background music in your life. Tip number 2, shadow what you hear. Listening is powerful, but speaking is what makes you stronger. After you listen, use your voice. Repeat what you hear. Copy the rhythm. Copy the tone. Copy the sound. Let's practice again. I want to get better at English. I don't understand everything. but I keep going. I'm improving little by little. Repeat these sentences every day. Don't worry about mistakes. Don't worry about perfect grammar. Just practice. With shadowing, your speech becomes smoother, your pronunciation becomes clearer, and your confidence grows naturally. Tip number 3, think in English, one thought at a time. If you want to be fluent, you must learn to think in English. Translation is slow, and it blocks fluency, so start small, simple thoughts. It's morning. I'm sleepy. I need coffee. The sky is blue. I'm working. I'm tired. I want to go home. At first, say them in your mind. Later, whisper them. Then say them out loud. Describe your life in English every day. No translation. No delay. Tip number 4, read aloud every day. Silent reading is good, but reading aloud is much better. It trains your mouth, your tongue, and your speaking muscles. Choose simple texts, short stories, dialogues, children's books. Read slowly. Then read again a little faster. Add emotion. Add expression. It's like a daily gym workout for your English. Tip number 5, use English in your real life. Don't just study English. Live with English. Change your phone language to English. Write a short daily diary. Just 3 sentences. Record a 1-minute voice message every night. Talk about your day. Join online English groups. Write short messages. Send voice notes. Watch short videos. Pause. Repeat. Copy. Even 20 seconds is powerful. The big secret. Fluency doesn't come from one big action. It comes from small daily actions. Good morning, in English. Your to-do list, in English. 5 minutes of video, in English. Don't wait for the perfect day. Start today. Make English part of your life. If you found this lesson helpful, like the video, subscribe, and save it to practice again tomorrow. Come back every day. Repeat with me. Grow with me. This is Adam, and I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, keep speaking, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself, because you can do this. You can speak English fluently and confidently. Bye for now.